अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है हमारे पास 1 ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1। सो हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, वी नो दैट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी विच इज एक्स प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1। सो वी गेट एक्स माइनस 1 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 स्क्वायर। सो वी कैन break it as a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1 plus c over x plus 1 whole square. So now multiplying both sides by x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole square, we get 1 is equal to a into x plus 1 square plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1. Now by taking x plus 1 is equal to 0, we get x value of x which is minus 1. Now put value of x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2, we get c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now by taking x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get value of x which is 1. By putting value of x is equal to 1 in equation 2, we get a is equal to 1 by 4. Now from equation 2, which is 1 is equal to a into x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b into x square minus 1 plus c x minus c. By taking x square common and x, we get a plus b into x square plus 2a plus c into x plus a minus b minus c. By comparing coefficients of x square of both sides, we get 0 is equal to a plus b. But we know that a is equal to 1 by 4. By putting a is equal to 1 by 4 and rearranging, we get value of b which is minus 1 by 4. Now we have found the value of a, b and c. Now put the values of a, b, c in equation 1. We get 1 over x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 over 4 into x minus 1 minus 1 over 4 into x plus 1 minus 1 over 2 into x plus 1 whole square. So question 8 हो चुका है complete, exercise भी हो चुकी है complete. Hopefully ये complete exercise आपको समझ आ गई होगी. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.